In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password without email and phone number 2025. So to do this, what you need to do is you need to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and all you want to do is you want to look up Facebook contact just like so. Then you want to go to the official Facebook Help Center right over here. All right, so once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars. Then you want to go ahead and select on login, recovery, and security. Then you want to go ahead and select on account recovery. And then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until we see recover your account. And now once we're over here, you want to go ahead and select on this option that says recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email or mobile phone number. All you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on that. Then you want to go ahead and press on open article. And now it is going to walk you through some steps that you guys could take in order to recover your account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to see if your account was hacked. So what could be happening is that your account got hacked or something like that, and you will need to go through this link, and then it is going to walk you through all the instructions showing you how to actually recover it. So what I recommend that you guys do is try using a different mobile phone number or email address which you may have forgotten that are associated with your account. And you want to double check that you entered your mobile number or email correctly at login. If you're entering a mobile phone number, try including the country code as well. For example, make sure to include +1 if you're in the United States, and also try contacting your email provider to see if they can help you recover access to your email account. So next up, this option is really important as well. Find your account on a familiar device. So it is most helpful if you can use a device you've used to log into Facebook before. This might be your own phone, your computer, or it could be an old phone or a family member's laptop. If you can get access to this device, then you need to try these particular steps. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and just log into Facebook like you normally would. But there's going to be more information and resources that you guys could utilize in order to change your Facebook password. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.